Hello everybody, my name is Marnie Page and welcome to my channel. Here we do cosplays and makeup tutorials and prop tutorials, and today we're doing Laughing Jack's nose. Hi Casper. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, my nose is kind of different to other people's noses, but the only reason I'm going to remake it is simply because it's falling apart. So if you enjoyed this video of making Laughing Jack's nose, go ahead, like and subscribe and share it with a friend. If you've got a cosplay you'd like to see me do, go ahead and suggest them in the comments or DM me on my Instagram or my Facebook page. I always reply. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.